So what is build mode and what is run mode? If you haven't already figured this out, I want to explain it in this video. So essentially, whenever you're building automations on Twin, there's two different modes. There's build mode and run mode. Build mode is where you're actually scoping the idea, building the automation, and this is obviously going to be the more credit intensive mode. The reason for that is because it's using a lot of high reasoning to come up with the build that you're looking to do. It's going to ask you questions, it's going to really think about the automation, and then it's going to go ahead and build it. Now, if we were to use this same mode all the way through and use it every single time that we wanted to run the automation, it's going to be very credit intensive and you're just going to waste a bunch of Twin credits. So instead, we have something called run mode. So automatically, once you finish building your automation, it's going to switch from build mode to run mode. And run mode is a fraction of the cost. And what this means is that every single time you run an automation, it's going to be very cheap and it's going to get cheaper and cheaper with time. So with that in mind, whenever you're building something in Twin, make sure to put as much emphasis as possible on the automation, make it perfect. And then once that happens, it's going to automatically switch to run mode anyway, and it's going to be much cheaper for you. And just to give you some context here, we're talking upwards of 12 times cheaper. And on top of that, if something breaks, it's still going to come in, fix it, use the reasoning mode, use the build mode to fix it, and then switch back to the run mode again. Little things like this make a big difference, and this is why people love the work that we're doing here at Twin. But I hope that explains the difference between build mode and run mode.